The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks by Rebecca Skloot tells the extraordinary story of a woman whose cells changed medicine forever, yet whose name remained virtually unknown. Henrietta Lacks, a poor southern tobacco farmer, died over 60 years ago, but her cells, taken without her knowledge, became the first immortal human cells grown in culture. Known to scientists as HeLa, these cells have been central to groundbreaking medical advances, from the development of the polio vaccine to research on cancer, viruses, cloning, gene mapping, and even space experiments. If all HeLa cells ever grown were stacked together, they would weigh more than 50 million metric tons, equivalent to 100 Empire State Buildings. Yet Henrietta herself was buried in an unmarked grave, and her family lived in obscurity. For decades, her children and grandchildren struggled with the legacy of her cells, learning only 20 years later how their mother's cells had been used and commercialized without consent. Rebecca Skloot takes listeners on a remarkable journey, from Johns Hopkins Hospital in the 1950s to modern laboratories, and into the lives of Henrietta's family, revealing the ethical, racial, and legal questions that surround this extraordinary story. Through Deborah Lacks, Henrietta's daughter, we confront the profound personal consequences of scientific advancement, from heartbreak to wonder. Skloot's narrative is a masterful mix of biography, science, and history, illuminating not only Henrietta's immortal cells, but the human story behind them.